In this session, we will create the basic 3D model in CATIA. The goal is to understand the fundamentals, how to start the sketch, add the feature, and build the part cleanly. By the way, I am Syed Jabiulla and I work with the students and professionals who wants to improve their fundamentals in designing field. Let's get inside the CATIA, start designing the 3D models. In this video, I am going to explain how to design this 3D component in the CATIA using part design. Okay, so let's start. Say for example, before starting, let me explain how we are going to follow the steps. I'm going to start from this side face. Okay, so we are going to draw this shape. Fine. These are the simple components. Okay, so I'm going to draw this particular profile with exact dimension and we are going to pad it till the last. Till the last, we are going to pad it. Then on this surface, we are going to create these shapes. We are going to create this shape, okay, and we are going to remove the material. At a time, we are going to draw this triangle, we are going to draw this circle, we are going to draw this circle also. These three shapes we are going to draw at a time and we are going to remove the material. At last, on this face, I am going to draw this circle and I am going to remove this material. Fine. Let's get inside the interface. Then we are going to design this 3D component. Let's start from the 3D design. So this is the interface of CATIA. Let's go to Start, Mechanical Design. We are getting the option here, Part Design. Click on this. Okay. For here, just click OK. If you want to add the name, we can add it. Later also, we can modify the name. Click OK. That's it. This is the interface of Part Design. Okay, so let's start from this plane, that is YZ plane. Select the plane, go to sketch. Let's go to the option here, profile. Let's start from here, first point, second, and the third point. I want to add the dimension for this. Go to this one here, this vertical line and this horizontal line. I want to modify this dimension. Double click 70, enter for this. Similarly, the vertical dimension 60 millimeter, enter. Fine. I want to add two more dimensions from this reference to this line. This is 30 millimeter, enter, because I want to keep the drawing in the center. Similarly, horizontal also from this line to this reference, this is 35 millimeter, enter for this. Okay. Again, go to the option profile. Let's start from this point here. I want to take this horizontal down here. Again, horizontal, close this profile. I want to add the remaining dimension. Go to constraint. Let's select this vertical line. This dimension is 20 millimeter, enter. Exit workbench. Now I want to pad it for 90 millimeter. So sketch is already selected. Go to pad. Instead of giving a 90 millimeter here, I want to give 45 and make sure to select the mirror extent. Okay. So once I click OK, now we can see that I'm going to get the first piece. I'm going to select this surface, go to the option sketch here. I want to draw the sketch. Go to the option profile. Let's start from here. I'm going to start from first point, second. Okay. I want to keep it here. I want to close it like this and make sure select this point here, hold control key in the keyboard and select this corner point. Fine. So go to the option constraint define in dialog box. Make sure to coincide. Okay. Now I want to add the dimension. Go to constraint. I'm going to select this. I want to add this horizontal dimension 35 plus 25. That is 60 millimeter. Enter. And I have one more dimension from here to this point. This dimension is 35 millimeter. Enter for this. I want to add the vertical dimension from this line to this point. I want to add this dimension. This is 25 millimeter. Enter. Go to circle. Let me start from this point here. Click the point. I am going to draw the circle. This diameter is 15 millimeter. 15, enter. And one more dimension from this edge. Select this edge to this center point. This dimension is also 15 millimeter. Enter. And we have one more circle here. Go to circle. I want to draw the circle here. The dimension of the circle is radius 5 millimeter. Double click on this, diameter 10, radius 5, that means diameter 10, enter. I have to add two more dimensions. From this edge to this point, the dimension is 15. That's already 15. One more dimension from this bottom to this point, this is 15. It's already 15. Okay. Exit workbench, go to the option here, pocket, and here in the type, if you want, you can add the dimension, or in the type, I am going to select up to last. Once I go up to last, click OK. That's it. This is what you're going to get. Fine. Select this face because we have one more hole here. Select this surface, go to sketch, go to circle. Okay, let me start approximately from here. I want to add the dimension for this. The diameter is 15. 15, enter. I want to add the dimension from this edge to this point. This is 35 millimeter. 35, enter for this. One more dimension is there from this edge to this point. This dimension is 15 millimeter, enter. Exit workbench, go to the option here, pocket. Okay, so I want to create the through hole, that is up to last. Okay, for this one. So this is how we are going to design this 3D component in CATIA using part design interface.